Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is lesson 17. Today, we'll talk about your week in English. We will use days and time together. In this lesson, you will learn how to make real life sentences. This will help you speak more naturally. Let's begin. We can combine day and time together. Repeat after me. On Monday at 3 o'clock. Now, together. On Monday at 3 o'clock. Again. On Monday at 3 o'clock. Very good. Repeat after me. On Tuesday at 7 o'clock. Now, together. On Tuesday at 7 o'clock. Repeat. On Tuesday at 7 o'clock. Very good. Now we add an action. Listen. On Monday at 3 o'clock, I study. Repeat after me. On Monday at 3 o'clock, I study. Again. On Monday at 3 o'clock, I study. Well done. Now, listen. On Tuesday at 9 o'clock, I start work. Repeat after me. On Tuesday at 9 o'clock, I start work. Again, on Tuesday at 9 o'clock, I start work. Good job. Okay, now listen. On Friday at 7 o'clock, I have dinner. Repeat after me. On Friday at 7 o'clock, I have dinner. Again, on Friday at 7 o'clock, I have dinner. You're doing very well. Let's continue. Now, listen. When do you study? Repeat after me. When do you study? Again. When do you study? And here's the answer. I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. Repeat after me. I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. Again, I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. Now, repeat after me. When do you have dinner? Again, when do you have dinner? Here's the answer. I have dinner on Friday at 7 o'clock. Repeat after me. I have dinner on Friday at 7 o'clock. Again, I have dinner on Friday at 7 o'clock. Good job. This is the pattern. I plus action, on plus day of the week, and at plus time. For example, I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. Repeat after me. I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. Very good. Now your turn. Answer the questions. When do you study? I study on Monday at 3 o'clock. When do you work? I work on Tuesday at 9 o'clock. When do you have dinner? I have dinner on Friday at 7 o'clock. Well done. Now, complete the sentence. I study on Tuesday at 5 o'clock. You try. Excellent. Today you learned how to talk about your week in English. This is a big step for speaking. Thanks for learning with me. Remember, small steps, big progress. See you in the next lesson. Bye.